Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss another contempt case. Please remember, contempt case. Yesterday, it has come in the press that two IAS officers, very high cadre officers, Sri JShyamala Rao, he is the Chief Secretary of Higher Education, and this is College Education Secretary Commissioner Mr. Pola Bhaskar. Both of them were given sentence of 1 month and 1,000 rupees fine under Section 12 of the Contempt of the Courts Act by Honorable Justice Manmadha Rao Garu of AP High Court. Very recently, I have made a video regarding that tribal welfare, Deputy Director Tribal Welfare. She is a lady, but she was taken to task under contempt. Here also, same thing. We can generalize and say that officers are not at all caring the orders of the High Court, as a result of which they have to face the contempt of the court action. Here the important point is, please remember, legal position. So according to Article 215 of the Constitution of India, you may be knowing that High Court has got power to punish any person for its contempt. Not only the Contempt of the Courts Act, Section 12, but High Court under Article 215. Similarly, Supreme Court 129, Constitution of India. So they have got the powers. Now let us know what happened. This is only Neeru Chettu or something. So actually, no doubt. Yesterday, the judgment was given. In this case, Honorable High Court of AP has given number of occasions, number of adjournments for these government officers. The judgment is Sabavarpu Suri or somebody, I'll tell you. You can read the case as Sabavarpu Suri and others versus State of AP. Sabavarpu Suri, they are all from Visakhapatnam. They have filed the writ petitions regarding the regularization of their services. They are all unaided teachers or unaided lecturers. Honorable High Court of AP stated that they should be taken in the aided colleges. And last year, I think July 26, 2022, the Honorable High Court has given directions to the Commissioner College Education. Presently, Mr. Pola Bhaskar, who worked as our district collector, he is the commissioner. Right? So, but they did not implement the orders of the High Court. Then, the petitioners, will they keep quiet? Sabavarpu Suri and others, they have filed a writ petition or contempt petition before the Honorable High Court of AP. Right? On their behalf, the senior advocate, Mr. Gangaya Naidu, he has submitted his representations and clearly stated that purposefully the government officers, particularly the commissioner and chief secretary of the higher education, they are dodging the matter. They are sitting over the matter. They did not implement the orders of the High Court. And normally it has been observed by the High Court. So many occasions, government officers, particularly the higher echelons, like IAS and IPS, they are not taking care of the orders of the court. They are throwing them. Of course, I can't say they are throwing them away, but they are not taking. And the defense they take is they wanted instructions from their higher officers. Who is higher more than the chief secretary, more than the secretary of higher education? Only government. So as chief secretary, as secretary, or as commissioner of college education, yes, they have got powers to implement the orders, but they want to dodge it. So court has implemented this, the court has observed the same. Now they have given 1 year, 1 month punishment to them, and they wanted them to appear or to surrender before the registrar judiciary of the AP High Court. Of course, they will not, they will appear. Before that, they will approach the division bench. They will get some favorable, they may get some favorable. It's a different thing. But why should you go to that extent In my previous video also regarding the tribal welfare DD, I have discussed in length. I don't want to discuss more. But anyway, this has become a bad examples. IAS officers who have studied hard, who have worked hard, who are supposed to be intellectuals, they have to come before court and stand like this. They have to go to jail. What is this? Why don't they? So everybody knows court is supreme. You have to implement the orders given by the court. And another point I want to tell you, normally the officers are also under the wrong impression. Suppose if some order is given by the High Court, they will file an appeal. So they think that the High Court will wait for the decision of the appeal. No. Unless you get a stay order, if you study the CPC, definitely you will understand. Unless you get any stay order from the higher court or from the division bench, yes, the court will proceed. That too, contempt case, section 12. After all, the punishment is only 6 months. But still, it will be taken very seriously. It will go to the record of the concerned officer. He has to become JShyamala Rao. He worked, I know him, when he worked as district collector. Visakhapatnam, Pola Bhaskar, he worked as district collector of Prakasham. So, anyway, you have to implement the orders. Article 14, everybody is equal before the law. So, they are also getting conviction, which is not supposed to be good. If the officers implement the orders of the court, definitely no problem. Of course, if you are successful in the appeal, yes, court will automatically act accordingly, right? So it has to be an eye-opener, and so we have to congratulate Dr. K. Manmadha Rao garu to take a bold decision. Previously also, in case of Surendra versus Dwarka Thirumal Rao, he has given conviction to APSRTC MD. We can't help, right? So please take it as an eye-opener and react. So this is the advice I can give you to the senior officers. Thank you.